5 factorial divided by 2 square plus 2 times 2 plus 5. Hello seniors, can you solve this math problem within 10 seconds? Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Here, this is a very hard problem. Many fail to solve, but we will solve with order of operations PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, first preference will be parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So better we will follow the order of operations, and we have to first solve this parenthesis part. And as we can see, we have an exponent which is 2 square, and 2 square is nothing but 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 will give itself 4. So we can simply write 4 on the place of this 2 square. So we will rewrite 5 factorial divided by 4 plus 2 times 2 plus 5. 5 factorial divided by, we will go for this parenthesis, 4 plus 2, which equals to 6 here, times 2 plus 5. Now again we have to multiply this part. 5 factorial divided by 6 times 2, which equals to 12 plus 5. Now we are in a simple expression, and here we have to find the value of this 5 factorial. To get the value, we have to first expand this. And when we expand 5 factorial, this is nothing but 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. 5 times 4, which equals to 20, and 20 times 3, which equals to 60, and 60 times 2, which equals to 120, and 120 times 1 will be 120. So 5 factorial will give the value of 120. So this is the value. So we can put the factorial value here, 120 divided by 12 plus 5. Now there are two operations. First one is this division and addition. And as we know that division have the higher priority than addition. So first we will go for this division part, then we will do addition operations. And when we divide 120 divided by 12, we will get answer here 10 plus 5, and final answer will be 10 plus 5, which equals to 15, which is the right answer. And if you are seniors, then must subscribe us for more brainstorming math videos. Thanks for watching.